Seems like Spider-Man ain't no special anymore because ultralight shoes move like him, minus the sticky chaos. Using light spray, a robotic arm sprays 0.93 miles of filament onto a midsole in 3 minutes, creating a glue-free upper. Taza Aya, a University of Michigan startup, created air curtain gear that blocks 99.8% of aerosols, helping protect against airborne germs. Its hard hat uses brim nozzles to send clean air around the face, powered by a 22-pound backpack. Softfoot Pro is a motorless prosthetic foot designed to move more naturally across uneven ground. Developed by the Italian Institute of Technology in Genoa, it is flexible, waterproof, and built for stability. Its smart mechanical design helps absorb impact, improve walking, and handle challenging surfaces like stairs. Imagine soaring 62 miles above Earth, crossing the boundary of space, and gazing down at the planet through the largest windows ever flown in a spacecraft. Yeah, I know, definitely rich people stuff. Still, Blue Origin's New Shepard makes it possible. A reusable rocket for tourism and research, carrying 6 passengers to the Kármán line for a few unforgettable minutes of weightlessness. KT2 Kung Fu Turtle is a small, programmable robot built for fun, learning, and everyday help. Its 4-joint system, powered by Turtle OS, makes smooth moves, playful kung fu tricks, and quick responses. Plus, with touch and vibration sensors, it reacts naturally to gestures. Here we look at an extraordinary ring. But this is no fantasy relic. The Lotus Ring is a smart way to control lights, TVs, and more using infrared with no internet or Bluetooth. The first time we saw something like this was in Hunger Games, when a sponsor sent an emergency kit to Jennifer Lawrence while she was hanging on a tree, badly injured. Today, the Jet ZX makes it real, carrying medical supplies across cities. Here we explored a little bit the aquatic wonders. The Subblue Vapor is an underwater scooter with dual motors, adjustable speeds up to 2.5 miles per hour, and a depth rating of 130 feet. It includes safety locks, a replaceable battery lasting 30 to 60 minutes, and a camera mount. Next, AlterG Neo is an advanced anti-gravity treadmill designed for rehab and training. Inspired by NASA, it uses differential air pressure technology to reduce body weight support from 100 to 20% in 1% steps. Magnetite nanoparticles are increasingly studied for their effectiveness in water purification. Because they are so small, they have a large surface area that helps them capture harmful substances like heavy metals and organic pollutants. T-Mobile Sidekick, or the Danger Hip Top, was built for messaging and getting online. Its signature swivel screen revealed a full QWERTY keyboard, making texting and email easy. Later models added color displays, better cameras, and expandable storage. Internal Flow is a neuroimaging device that tracks brain activity using time-domain, functional, near-infrared spectroscopy, measuring shifts in blood oxygenation and flow. For more, the newer Flow 2 adds EEG. And here we have this wild, centipede-like vehicle rolling on 18 powered wheels. Each wheel has its own motor and suspension, helping it glides over rocks. It hits about 68 miles per hour, carries 220 pounds, and was first shown as a prototype in 2022.